Good morning, children. How are you? Hoping all of you are fine and safe. Dear students, we have completed our second term syllabus, which is from chapter 6 to chapter 13. We have already completed this. Now, today, we are going to start revision from chapter 6, Sense of Humor. Let us see question answer. The first question of this chapter is, what do you mean by sense of humor? Answer is, sense of humor relates to a person's ability to make everybody laugh. Question number 2. Define laughter. Laughter is a unique force that creates many positive and pleasant effect on the body. Then question number 3. Justify the title of the story Mind Your Own Business. Dear students, in this story, as the lady was interfering and taking interest in others' matter, she got in trouble. So we should mind our own business. No need to interfere in others' matter, otherwise we will be in trouble. Next question number 4. In the story, lift is out of order. What made you laugh? Answer. In the story, lift is out of order. The first thing which made me laugh was that when these three ladies returned from the office and the watchman informed them that lift is out of order and it will be operational after 3 hours, then they have to go by stairs at the 75th floor. Secondly, when they reached at 51 floor, Seely informed them that they have forgot the key of their flats in the car. This made me laugh. Next question number 5. How was laughter beneficial for Norman Cousins? Let us see the answer. Norman Cousins was diagnosed as terminally ill. He was given 6 months to live. His chance of recovery was 1 in 500. Cousin wondered, if illness is caused by negativity, can wellness be created by positivity? So he decided to be positive and happy. He spent his time laughing all through the day. As time passed, he started recovering from his illness and eventually lived for another 20 years. So, dear students, revise this chapter nicely, go through this chapter, and we will give you some questions in the examination. Objective questions you will be given, so you have to go thoroughly to this chapter and understand this chapter and write down the answers properly. Thank you and take care.